Hi guys, welcome back to another Wolf Quest video, but I just noticed that the highest quality I had for the video was 144p and it's so blurry. But I'm really new and I don't know how to fix that. So if you guys know how to fix that, please tell me. And I know since I don't have very many viewers, I'm not going to give a tip very fast, now am I? So I don't think I'm going to get very many people to help me because they're going to see how blurry the video is and click off it right away. And yeah, there's no hope for this channel in the future. So really sad, but I'm gonna have to deal with it, I guess. So I learned how to make my voice louder because I actually figured it out down here. You guys can't see it. Actually, can I make you see it? Nope, don't want to. Yeah, I figured out it shows me down here how loud I am. So we're gonna get back into it, and I figured out you can't see my cursor, so for all of you stalkers out there, yeah, you know my name. I don't want it to be laggy, so let's just go for beautiful. Even though it is really bad, and you guys were telling me the music, well, not you guys, I'm so used to this because I remember when I was very young, I used to always say that you guys told me this, but really I didn't even have a YouTube channel. So there was nobody to even tell me. So seriously, I just pressed new game. Amethyst Mountain Shepherd load. So sorry guys for the quality. Please tell me if you know how to fix it, cause I don't. So sorry, but this is gonna sound so mean, but I have to say it. Deal with it. Until I get guys, where's my mouse gone? Oh, I have 2 opened right now. There we go. We can start actually from the correct point we left off. So let's go. Hello there, elk. Okay. I literally watched the video and I can't stand a video even if it's at like 430p. So just being at 1. I don't know if it's just my computer, but seriously. I'm so sorry, guys. But that's just the way life is. Hold on 1 second, I gotta check something. Okay. I feel bad. Oh, there's that grizzly bear again. Slow female. Who are you looking at? So I was looking at some tips, and in order to quote unquote interact, you have to say I want to be boss and kill them. But I'll figure out how to mate with them on my own. Sounds so wrong, but it's okay. I give in. Leave now. Peace. And this is my health, and that is my running bar. Stamina. Whoa! I can make the camera angles any way I want. I just pressed the scroll button and something happened. This is the dude. That's the grizzly bear right there that I bit, I think. Oh, and at one point where you can hear me click over my voice. That was pretty embarrassing. Okay, where are we going now? the eyes. Oh, I skinned it. All the eyes. You probably can't see that because, like I said, the quality. Let's go down. So I'm yelling timber. Oh no, copyright. I don't want, like, my first copyright strike on my third video. No, thank you, sir. Oh, it's gonna be slow and painful since I don't know what to do. And I want to put on music, but then copyright. I just don't know what to do. If I sing a song, does it count as copyright? I'd like to know that too. Copyright. Copyright. I'm so slow. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Actually, if I see it like this, can I just like be a bolt? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. Okay, let's start turning now. I think we're gonna hit elk hunting grounds, maybe? No. Oh, this is gonna be so slow and painful. But this is good because it's only dirt and grass. You guys don't need to see anything. I don't know if it's my computer or it's actually the video itself. I know it's probably the video itself. So, please, someone tell me how to actually put the quality up, like the 144 and stuff. Because I want mine at least at 340p. I mean, if someone could tell me how to get 1080p without the video being laggy, jeez, you would be so cool. And I'd give a shout out, even though giving a shout out doesn't do anything. But I might start playing a game, which is actually on my toolbar, called Animal Jam. My good friend told me about this game, so they decided to make me an account and do things on it for me. So when I start, I won't have completely nothing, and that's really nice of her. So I'm gonna give a shout out to Carly Lee. Yeah. I feel bad because I just said her full name. So stalkers, there you go, another victim. Oh god, I shouldn't be talking about this stuff. Okay, ignore that. Stalkers, please. Please. Oh my god, it's already at 8 minutes, done absolutely nothing. I just, probably because I've been like missing the full thing this whole time. Any sense? Any sense? Any sense? Oh, yes. Yas. Found one. Yas. Might have something to eat before I do fight it. Ooh, conveniently, it's right here. I thought it was going to be like over a mountain or something. Yeah, it's really faster with the WASD. Switch on me. Oh, that's what I'm using. Because this is me using the mouse to turn. This is with the WASD. A little too much. Ooh, who are you? A specimen female. Why do I keep... What's up? I'm no threat to you. Hey girl. I'll stay put. I'll wait and see. Get going. No. 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 Do I know you? Yeah, I'll wait and see. Do I know you? What? What? Whoa. Whoa. I want to be boss. Girl, you got your tail up. You're just asking for something. Hello. Again. I know. Oh my god, I hit her once. And she's like, oh, dang. Hysterical. By the way, I'm making another video. I uploaded the other one, but it's like blurry as yo mama's butt. So. Sorry guys, I'm having a random conversation, but I'm talking to my friend, which is gonna be someone that's gonna be in a video with me. Oh wait, I promised him I would let him say hi. Hold on 1 second. Let me turn up my mic so you guys can hear him. Say hi. Hi. That's him. Okay, I gotta turn you down a bit so they don't hear you through the whole video. That's mean. No, it's okay. I wanted you to say hi. No, you are special. Shout out to Wide Oyster 3. Yeah. I just sat down and licked my balls when I said that. As a dog, it's okay. You'll even see that in the video. I sat down and just licked it out of nowhere. Mommy, dogs scare me. Sorry guys if this is annoying, but yet again, with the quality, you're also gonna have to deal with this because I have friends. Don't say I have no friends and I'm a loser. I know, I am a loser. Okay, you can play Minecraft. That's another game I'm going to be playing. Oh, I remember there was this like one owl dude that said I was a pony fag. And I remember he checked out my channel and he was like, "You're 6." I'm like, "I know, right?" And then I removed his comment. That's my fabulous. I was actually later in the video. I'm like, if you couldn't tell from my fabulous screensaver, I like ponies. So I'm just gonna take a rest here. I hope this is more entertaining than me just like trying to make up commentary. Just you guys listening to me talk to my friends, which I don't have very many of, because I just got hacked. If you didn't watch my first video IRL, I know I'm ugly, okay? Just gets all emotional. Dies. I sounded like I was dying. Oh, struggle. No, wrong way. I like to think that I'm good at this game. I need food. Food! You can't subscribe 3 times, you know. I mean, 2 times, unless you unsubscribe and then grizzly bear. Howl at it. If you howl at it, everything goes away. I'm just gonna eat his meat. Oh god. I'm gonna eat that bear's meat. I just ate his elk. I'd like to just turn off Pacific. Well, turn off Pacific. I already told you I play World of Tanks because it's a glitch to get in parties. If you guys didn't know that, if you download World of Tanks Xbox 360 edition, of course on your Xbox, you can join Xbox Live parties.